Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Ikkura Trading Day, May 26th. It was a very long weekend, a nice long weekend where we didn't look at our portfolio. Looks like Monday was a huge day. I'm wearing red, Z's wearing green. Z, take it away.
So why I'm wearing green is one very lucky trade, I think, which is I had a SPY call
Oh, nice.
for $296 was my call price. And yesterday, SPY jumped up at the very beginning of the morning to 301, almost 302. And so I had actually put in a limit order to sell that last week at $3.80. But the limit triggered first thing in the morning, like at hour zero, of course, like opening, and it sold for like $5.20. So I gained like $400 on this one position. Everything else of mine did really poorly. And I even made a couple moves yesterday. So my hypothesis of network, my prediction is that I'm around $920. And let's check it out. Bam! I'm very close, $936. So yesterday I saw that I had gone up. I was above $1,000 briefly. And then as the market kind of shifted around, it dropped down. But I actually have now $738 in cash. So
Amazing.
the minority is my positions. And I did a couple things yesterday. Let me send you my screenshots. Okay, so check it out. You can see I'm
See
up
it.
65% today, which is a really nice little gain. And it is
Oh, wait,
up.
how's that possible? How low were you previously?
Let me pull up our thing, but I was pretty low.
Were you in your 600s? You must have been.
Yeah, I believe I was. So I wasn't quite in the 600s. I was at $717. Is that 65%?
I think your numbers are also a bit funny. They don't make complete. I mean, they don't match up perfectly, right? If you were 700, then you added 369. You should be over 1,000.
Yeah, honestly, I don't know. Robinhood's a little bit funny. It's showing my starting as 717.71, which was my last day value, but that is up for me 26.65% in Robinhood. So for some reason, Robinhood had my portfolio value as lower at the start. I don't know. That's
Okay.
really weird.
Okay.
Anyway, the big jump was from 717 to $1,038 in the first opening of trading. If you go over to my history of trades, you can see that on the 22nd of May, I bought this SPY call for $240, and I immediately put in the limit sell order for $3.80, but it actually ended up executing at $5.92 because of this huge jump at market open. So it's a little bit funny. Robinhood puts it back on the 22nd of May because that's when I put in the limit order, but it actually got filled on the 26th, which you can't see from the screen.
Yeah.
And you can see I did two other things yesterday, which is I bought this American Airlines put and I bought this Wells Fargo put, both of which performed super badly. Interestingly enough, I bought this American Airlines call, which I had a limit order against as well for $1, which is the $100, and that got fulfilled as well yesterday as American Airlines went up. So
Yeah.
I was able to take nice profit from these two things. Yeah, very happy with that, actually.
Well done. Looks like your calls printed and your puts did not.
Yes, the other positions I got into, I've lost money on all of those. The most frustrating one is this Walmart call, which must be how you
Yeah.
feel about
Hold
Zoom.
onto it, huh?
Yeah, I held on to it because, hey, the market's going up. Walmart should also go up. There should be positive sentiment. No, Walmart's like
No.
Zoom. It's like the market goes up, Walmart goes down. And it's just,
Yeah.
it's destroyed everything. It's worth $6 now. And I just can't believe it.
You paid for it.
If I look at my history, I think I paid a good amount for it. No, I bought it for $1.65. Yeah, so that was very expensive. I actually made money on my other one. So I purchased two, and the one I made money on. So basically, I'm at par on this Walmart play, but I wish I hadn't held on to the second call of Walmart. Anyway, that's it for me. You can see my positions. They're all pretty crappy. I wish that I had purchased some additional stuff yesterday, particularly calls, because I think the market over the next couple of days will go up. It's going to go back up and test this 302, 303 boundary in SPY. And then I think it'll have a bit of a pullback. But we'll see how prophetic that statement is later this week.
All right. Shall I go on?
Yes.
Okay. So my prediction, I think I ended last Friday at 6.7. I think I'll probably be around 6.2, 6.3 today. Could be a lot worse actually, but around 6.2, 6.3. Zoom crashed like 5%, but it's interesting. I mean, I have some thoughts on the market, but yeah, Zoom went down, but I think the crash from Zoom could be partially offset by rise in space, crash in PDD, and rise in Disney. So I have three things that went the right direction.
Right.
But I do have a lion's share in Zoom that went down. So vamos a ver. Why don't you tell me how it looks?
Wait, I can't see. I'm very sorry.
Oh, ouch.
Just barely above. So that's actually quite a big drop yesterday.
Yeah, huge drop.
What was was it mostly Zoom yesterday that caused such a big drop?
Yeah, it was mostly Zoom. Space had a nice rise, but everything else went down. I have two put in SPY. I mean, yeah, it's just everything else went down. I think the one that is very interesting is that PDD went down quite a lot, went down by 5%, but it has such low volume that the bid and ask spread is $1.20 and $2.10.
Wow.
It's over $1.
Yeah, the volume is too
insane.
low.
So,
what are the chances of that getting in the money? Is it very far out?
I don't think so. I mean, it's what is the share price now? It went down to. I think it could get into the money. It's at. It ended at 64.89, and my strike price was 60.
Got it. Wait.
Yeah.
And
so
this
the day I bought it, I bought it. Yeah. So I mean, I think it's fine. I think that if these U.S.-China tensions flare up again, I think things are going to be very scary.
Right.
Looking at the Hong Kong market right now, Tencent is down 2.4%.
Yeah.
So there's something brewing there that I think PDD will rise. Zoom, it's very understandable. Zoom going down yesterday, actually. I'm just going to hold it until the day before earnings and sell it. Whether it's up or down, we'll see.
Yeah, earnings are going to crush it. Yeah.
Well, it makes sense, right? Yesterday, all the travel stocks and all that stuff rise.
Right.
Because they think things are going to go back to normal, and I actually think that to capture that kind of sentiment, I don't know whether that's going to happen, but to capture that sentiment, I think I'm going to tonight. Probably with my remaining cash, I could be putting myself into a lot of trouble, but I don't. With my remaining cash, I'm probably going to buy more Disney Plus.
Wow. Okay. That is interesting. I'm still waiting for Disney to come back down to a level I'm comfortable buying at, but I think I waited too long already. I think I made a mistake to wait so long as it is.
I tried to sell my PDD and I tried to sell my ConocoPhillips, but my price is too greedy. But it's okay.
Well, at least the space call kind of offset a few things. Yeah, Zoom's your big loser here. Okay, makes sense.
Yeah, definitely. Space, I'm back. I'm above cost now, finally. Disney has been a really nice performer. I paid 176 for it in support. Yeah.
Nice. And tonight, just write out the markets for now. It seems like, I don't know, there's big
Yeah,
jumps here and there, but
I have no rush to do anything except that I would like to get rid of. I would like to buy more Disney, and that's the only. I was writing down some ideas, but like, it's interesting how on a day like, when this whole entire stock market rises, Microsoft, Facebook, Activision, Blizzard, they all went down.
yeah,
Right. So I guess now it's time for like the non-tech stocks to shine.
yeah,
But let's be realistic, right? Like that's a blip. Like the tech stocks are gonna like come back up, no problem. So I am tempted actually to buy Disney and Activision Blizzard. Activision Blizzard went up 4%. I guess
wow.
people are thinking like, oh, as travel opens up, people will play video games less. But I don't know. I'm at this point right now where I just want to like capture everything. So I'm even thinking of buying some Marriott calls. People are crazy and stupid right now and think that hotel stocks are going to go up. But overall, the idea is get more Disney, get some Marriott, like position myself well for extreme bull case.
Right.
Zoom is a very bullish move. Bearish. It's a bearish play. And so it's sort of like a proxy for, I think Zoom could be a proxy for a SPY play.
Yeah, I hear you. It makes a lot of sense.
So yeah, just try to load up on the extreme bull case right now.
I'm looking at still some of these travel stocks, hotel stocks, etc. They're still very depressed.
Yeah.
So in the next month, based upon news alone, I think we should see some sort of uptick in price for these.
Yeah.
And then the actual reality, which is earnings and stuff, will come out. And I wonder if actually even some of these companies can survive. But the sentiment is positive. So, hey, let's see. We might as well ride the sentiment because that is really what we're playing.
Expedia, TripAdvisor, and Marriott. These are the 3 travel stocks I'm looking at.
Is this the one day?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Can you imagine having TripAdvisor calls right now? Oh my God. That's incredible. Okay, cool. Well, let's see what happens tonight. But actually, it's more like what's happening this week. I think we'll have to position ourselves, pretty well.
That's our show for the day. I hope you enjoy watching us suffer. Z had a huge day. And we'll be doing this every day. We only have a month left until June 30th. So
and hopefully you make some good moves.
Seem far, but it's only a couple good moves away, actually.
That's right. A couple good moves away from 100K.
What if I sold everything tonight, everything, and just bought Disney Plus?
YOLO!
I'm tempted. I'm bored of this lack of movement.
Well, lack of movement in the things that you hold, it's because there's plenty of movement in other places.
Yeah.
But anyway.
That'd be amazing.
Yeah, let's see tomorrow. Bye.